listen, look, I finished. So, oh, look. I had a trouble with this one regarding his outfit. I couldn't work out what this was until it was too late. So, and then I thought this outfit belonged to him. So I gave it to him. And then I couldn't understand what he should be wearing. So, anyway, this one is supposed to be for him. Holding that clearly makes sense now, that platter of biscuits, cookies. But I couldn't work it out, and so I put the wrong outfit on the wrong gnome. Look, I got him. It's so cute. So I made him first. He's just like this. So this is white gel pen on his eyes, jelly roll, white, and then the black, this one, fine tip for his eyes. Some of this mostly is card, but some of it that his hat and his hands and his shoes and his face are paper. That's why I can't pick them up properly. See? And then the cookies are coloured in gold Sharpie. Gold Sharpie. Because I was too lazy to find my brown. Okay. Just having him in this window box. Oh yeah, that's the rest of the quickie glue pen. I wasn't sure where to stick the thing. Oh look, just flying there. Okay, and then I put this stuck to this green card, and I gave him 2 hands because obviously I'd used the wrong thing. And I gave some definition to the thing, and I've added orange shoes on him, and the ladder's orange, so it's hard to see where his shoes are. And I've given him green pants because I messed up the outfit, the the uniform outfit, what they were supposed to be wearing. I gave the wrong outfit to the wrong gnome. Because this packet doesn't come with any instructions whatsoever, so it's really hard to work out what piece belongs where. Yeah, so if you get this set, you're gonna have plenty of trouble too. Anyway, I tried, and this is what I got. I think they're really, really cute. And another thing, I couldn't work out what I'll show you, and then I realized, oh, it was his face. Because it's not, yeah, so it's not very clear. See this one? Now I suppose you can see the eye, that thing is an eye. Right? And then that pokey out bit is a nose. So anyway, this is what I've done. This has been really enjoyable, fun, exciting, happy time. Yeah, it's really hard right now with the Gaza thing. My mind is just scrambled into eggs. I can't even think straight. Anyway, take care, God bless. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Oh look, I can bend it. Yeah, it's getting better because I had my steroid injection. Okay, anyway, take care, God bless you, bye bye. So cute, aren't they? Love them, bye bye.